How to clean and maintain carpet. Carpet maintenance is one of the important tasks of the housekeeping department, since its proper appearance ensures a splendid and magnificent atmosphere in the hotel premises, through which both the in-house guest and outsider can be attracted to the hotel service and the surroundings. Hotels should pay attention to great details in maintaining and handling carpet for the following reasons. Create a positive impression. Ensure cleanliness within the premise. Make the best use of investment. To protect it from being soiled and to improve the air quality. There are certain soils which trigger the need for maintenance and refurbishment of carpet. Soils are very dangerous for carpets because they affect heavy traffic areas of carpets. Housekeeping must take initiative to remove the soils from carpets, as one single soiled area can spoil the entire appearance of the hotel. Since different soil requires different treatment, a complete understanding of these types of soil will ensure cost-effective implementation of maintenance program. Following are the 4 types of soils that affect carpet. 1. Dry soil. Dry soil could be any type that lies in dry position and difficult to clean if they are mixed with any oily materials, since oily materials lead the dry soils to stick to the carpet fiber very strongly. Following are the certain basic types of dry soils. Dry dirt, sand, dust, grit, ashes and other loose particles. Among all soils, carpets are mostly vulnerable to sand and grit. Sand and grit trigger excessive and rapid wear by backing, cutting and abrading carpet fibers with their rough work. 2. Water-soluble soils. Water-soluble soils affect the carpet through frequent corrosion of carpet appearance by sticking to the carpet fibers. Some water-soluble soils are mud, non-greasy stuffs, spillage. Water-based detergent products are very effective and useful for removing and cleaning the water soils. 3. Oily and greasy materials. There are several types of oily and greasy materials that adhere with carpet fibers strongly by trickling, tracking, and blowing into carpeted areas and responsible for carpet deterioration, which are as follows. Grease, tars, asphalt, food grease, airborne. Combination of detergent and solvent materials should be applied in the carpets to get rid of the soils thoroughly. 4. Stains and discoloration. Stains and discoloration soils include miscellaneous soils such as rust, water spots, food dyes. Using specialized carpet spotter would be very helpful in eliminating the soils from the carpets. 5. Unwanted odor. Besides these soils, carpets are also exposed to unwanted odors over their service life. Even some strong unwanted odor make carpets discarded completely. Sometimes it becomes very tough to eliminate the smoke, food, mildew, and other odors from carpets. Here are some recommendations or techniques for maintaining and repairing the carpets professionally, typically known as maintenance cycle. To ensure a desired appearance of carpets, including low cost of carpet maintenance, the following levels of routine maintenance cycles, interim and recuperative cleaning with skilled labor and proper time management are very necessary to follow. Maintenance cycles are categorized into 3 areas such as A. Routine carpet maintenance. B. Interim and periodic carpet maintenance. C. Restorative carpet maintenance. A. Routine carpet maintenance cycle. Policy: get rid of soils, adhere with carpets. Rate of frequency: whenever required according the difficulty level of grit and soil. Applied techniques: B. Interim or periodic carpet maintenance cycle. Policy: to eliminate the grease and oil materials assemble on the carpet pile surface and are easily cleaned by vacuuming. Rate of frequency: monthly or quarterly depending on the level of traffic and soil build-up on the carpet. Applied techniques: carpet buffing or spin cleaning, dry foam and mist shampooing, dry powder cleaning. C. Restorative carpet maintenance cycle. Policy: to thoroughly clean and repair carpet to give it a new appearance. Rate of frequency: if temporary cleaning is not sufficient for giving a high level of appearance due to heavy traffic lane soiling, uneven appearance, etc. Techniques applied: hot water extraction, rotatory shampooing. If you liked this video, then please share with others. Also like and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon and allow all notifications so that you never miss any video. Thanks for watching.